You've probably replaced a cheap wallet at least twice in the last 10 years. Here's why that keeps happening, and why it stops now. There's an old story about a tortoise who beat a hare not by running faster, but by never stopping. Slow, steady, one step at a time. The hare had raw speed and zero discipline. The tortoise had something better. He was built to last. That's the exact principle behind Aricio. These are handcrafted MagSafe leather wallets made by Latinx artisans rooted in the Oaxacan tradition. And they're designed to do what no mass-produced fast fashion wallet can do: get genuinely better the longer you use them. In this video, we get into the patent-pending high-pull magnetic array that snaps onto your iPhone and actually stays there, built-in RFID blocking that protects your cards from digital skimming without adding a single millimeter of bulk. Why hand-stitched Oaxacan leather develops a patina instead of peeling and cracking after 6 months small-batch production. Every edge, stitch, and pocket is touched by a human being who genuinely cares. Ivory, black, and tobacco colors, classic considered, and built to fit your everyday carry for years. This is for people who are tired of the hare, who want one well-made thing that quietly wins over time. Easy shipping, easy returns. See it for yourself. Aricio.store